Texas has jobs, y'all. Thousands of good-paying jobs waiting to be filled. Satisfying jobs that can turn into lifelong careers. Rewarding jobs in 8 high-demand industries all over the state. Industries like advanced technologies and manufacturing. By 2026, the advanced technologies and manufacturing industry is expected to employ more than 320,000 people in Texas, with pay ranging up to hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. From jobs that require an industry-recognized certification to jobs that require postgraduate degrees. Work well under pressure? The industry needs network and systems administrators. Good at solving problems? Consider mechanical engineering. Critical thinker? Electrical engineering could be your calling. Whatever your dream, JobsYall.com can help you explore careers in Texas industries. Empower yourself at JobsYall.com. JobsYall.com. Your career, your story.